I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Candy Crush game in Python. To begin, you'll need to install Python, preferably version 3.8 or newer, and a robust integrated development environment like PyCharm. Next, choose a game development library. Pygame is an excellent choice for handling graphics and user input. Finally, organize your project by creating dedicated folders for your game assets, Python scripts, and any data files. Now, let's dive into the core game mechanics. You'll need to create a two-dimensional grid, typically an 8x8 array, to represent your game board. Implement functions that allow players to swap adjacent candies, and then check for matches of 3 or more identical candies, either horizontally or vertically. Once matches are found, remove those candies and smoothly refill the board from the top, creating new opportunities for matches. Bringing your game to life visually is crucial. Design or acquire appealing candy sprites and a captivating background image to enhance the player experience. Develop drawing functions to render the entire game board, individual candies, and the current score on the screen. Crucially, implement robust event handling to process user input, allowing players to select and swap candies effortlessly using simple mouse clicks. Finally, let's integrate a scoring system and manage game states. Award points for every match set of candies, with bonus points for larger combinations. Define distinct game states such as playing, game over, and level complete to guide the player's journey. Consider adding a timer or a limited number of moves to introduce challenge and define the overall duration of each game session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.